So this is what we are going to create in this video using the Pygwalker library of Python. Now the cool thing about this that it's very easy to create visualization on the fly compared to, let's say, Matplotlib or Seaborn, where you have to write a lot of code. Here you can just drag and drop columns from your data frame and create beautiful visualizations like this. So let's see how this is done. So let's see how we can use the Pygwalker library for creating these visualization. So first thing we need to do is to install the Pygwalker library. So for that we'll use pip install Pygwalker inside our Jupyter notebook. So for me it's already installed. That's why it's showing requirement already satisfied. But in your case it will install it. So once you have installed the Pygwalker library, delete the cell by pressing D 2 times, and now restart and clear all outputs and refresh the notebook just to make sure that the library has been loaded and we can access it using our Jupyter notebook. So the first thing that we are going to do now is importing the Pygwalker library. Import Pygwalker as pyg. We are doing this because we don't want to write Pygwalker every time we want to use it. Instead, we can just write pyg and it will do the same job. And now we'll import pandas as pd, pandas, which is the data manipulation library. And now I'm going to load my dataset. I'm using laptop pricing dataset, but you can use any dataset you want. So for that, I will use the read CSV method of pandas. I have kept the dataset in a CSV file. So I'll use the read CSV. Now let's take a look at the data frame. Here we can see that it contains information about different laptops from different brands and their pricing in euros, and also their various specifications like RAM, weight, GPU, etc. So now let's analyze this dataset using the Pygwalker library. For that, we will create an object of the Pygwalker library. So pyg, here we are using the Pygwalker library dot walk. So this has a walk method which will apply to our dataset in order to create the interface that allows us to create different visualizations. So this has created a beautiful visualization, or rather an interface for visualization for our data frame. So all the column names have been listed on the left side with the measures showing a different symbol, and also we have different options on the top. So let's start creating some visualization. On the x-axis, we'll drag the company column and put it over here, and on the y-axis we'll put the average price. Here it's showing some, but we want the average or mean price in euros. So now this is so easy to create a visualization using this library. We can see the average price in euros by brands, and we can easily find out that Razer has a very large average price. Now you can also change the type of visualization very easily. So let's say I want a line chart. It can easily show me a line chart. Let's say I want an area chart. It can show me an area chart. Any chart you want, it can show you. Let's keep it at auto for now. And now Let's say we want to see which laptop has high RAM. So I will put RAM in color. We'll select mean or average RAM. So we can again see that Razer laptop has very high RAM, but the price is also very high. If we look at MSI laptop, they have high RAM, but the price is not very large if you have a look at it. So this is how we can create different visualization very easily using the Pygwalker library. This is very helpful for data analysis and exploratory data analysis in Python if you want to do it. You can also have a tabular view of the data set. You can see the different columns of the data, and you can export the data, export the visualization, and you can also save it in the current format. So this is all about the Pygwalker library and how you can create different visualizations easily using it.